Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Mr. Soul. Please subscribe this channel if you like the video, and if you are enjoying the video series of Google Earth Pro, just comment right below on this video. In this lecture we will learn how to import the files, tab files and KMG file in our Google Earth Pro and how we'll work on that. First of all, open the Google Earth Pro. In the file option, just click on file. The first option is open the file. When we click on open, then it will show right there an option of files. You can click out that. Here is a lot of options available. First of all, Google Earth. In Google Earth, KML, KMZ, ETA.ini files are also available. You can import that, you can open that. Here is some formats are available. So that here is the GPS files are available. Here is Collada model files are available, and here is generic text like the txt and csv. These files are available for open, and here is the geojson files are open, as well as map info tab files and many other files you can open in Google Earth Pro. So we need to open the kml kmz file or a tab file. So I will first open a kml file from my desktop. It's named yophonsite.kmz. Just click on open, or simply double click on that. After that, it will open the KMZ file. This KMZ file contain the data of a drive test. So I will delete the drive test because I do not need of this. After that, there is sites available and there are cells available. When we click check out on that, it will hide the cells. And double click on that. If you double click anywhere, it will zoom out. So here is a site available, and you can click on cell, then cell will be shown at right there. If you want to hide the site name, just click on that. The site name will be hidden and just cell will be shown. You can change out the settings of these cells by right click on property, and you can style and color according to your desire. Here's the description. You can add link, you can add web image, and you can add local image on this on the sides, and you can style the color. Just I want to change some color. I want to change the green color of the border, and you can increase the width. And here is the area you want to choose for the color. There are the three options are available. The field, when you click on field, it will fill like that. You can check out that. And if you click just on outline, then it will be only in the outline. And when you click on field and outline, it will be both right there, and it will be show the outline green color and the field color is that. If you want to change that color, you can change from that place, and you can see that the color of the site is changed according to our chosen color. So you can select the color of your own desire, what you want. I will want this color and the border of this color, so it will be more dominant and it will be more apparent in view. So just click on that and a little bit zoom out to show that how it's. And here is the site name option. You can also change the color of the name, but just right click on property and go to style and color. You can check out. Here is the label, you can given the color, you can check that the color is changed. So I want to pick a yellow color to see that what's happening. So I have select the yellow color. We can change these settings, and from right there we can save my places, save to my places, and save image. Save my places, and this will save in uphone If we want to save as, there's option available save places as. Just click on that and you can rename your updated file. You can save that, so it will be save another file with the name updated uphone file, which contain this all the setting we have changed right there. So here is the second option. We will open a tab file. I have available tab file in my these directories. Just select a map info tab file, and you can see that the tab file will appear in this folder, and here is a tab file also available. Just double click on that. It will ask you the option, do you want to apply a style template to the future? Yes. And here is two option, create a new template or use the existing template. I want to use the existing template. Just click on OK, and it will import the tab file. Just click on that, it will show the tab file, and just double click on that. It's a mark route in tab file. You can check out that mark route is in a white color. These routes are marked in map info. It's a map info tab file. You can check out that the lines are drawn on the route. In the next lecture we will learn how to draw the route like that. We have just imported the tab file in the Google Earth Pro. We will mark the route on the roadside, and for the one site or for the cluster, and we will learn how to mark this route in Google Earth Pro and how to export and given to the DT team for the drive test. So in the next lecture we will learn how to mark the route. We check out that, you can see that the routes are disappeared from the mark places. These are the mark places on the route for the guidance. You can check out that. When I click on that, it's and the check is enabled, the route is appeared. When we disable the check, the route is disappeared. So you can see that how we will use in this lecture. You will learn how to open the tab file and KMZ file in Google Earth Pro, and in the next lecture we will learn how to mark the route in Google Earth Pro and export it for the use of drive test in the form of tab and in the form of KML or KMZ file.